Alright, we're up here Friday, just finishing up this job. What we did here with this job is the homeowner got a new vanity. We don't have befores of this, but you can see the after. We did a new Onyx vanity top. The color is called Prospect with wave bowls, single handle Delta faucets. The bowl actually is iceberg color. The vanity top is called Prospect. And then the homeowner bought this mirror, which is kind of neat. It's got the lights actually right in the mirror, and it's got a dimmer on it so you can dim it. The homeowner bought that, which is really nice. And then we did a new floor, our alternative floor. It's made by Armstrong. And then of course our Onyx shower. You can see there's still things that need to be finished up, trim and such like that. The homeowner's actually doing that part on their own, so they were putting in new baseboard molding, so you can see all the baseboards gone right now, and then they're painting themselves. So this here shower is 60 by 32 Onyx shower. It is also in the Prospect color, just like the vanity top here. And you can see they did an iceberg colored break, which turned out beautiful. Handheld there. And then obviously you got your diverter, your regular shower head there. The door that they chose, of course, was the Onyx door. You can see that door swings both ways, which is really nice for getting in and out of the shower. So it swings in, you can go ahead and get in, which is really nice when you're done with your shower. You can just pull that in, walk out. You don't get water all over your floor that way. And it's 3/8 inch thick glass. So you can see that it's very thick, very sturdy. They did a seat. That's the Onyx extended seat. They did a towel bar back there, a grab bar here. And then of course they did the recessed Liberty caddy is what that's actually called. You can see on the wall, let's see if I can get, yeah, there you can. Right there you can see how it has a little bit of a texture on the wall. That's actually called the slate finish. We do that an awful lot. You can do different multiple. You can do like a smooth finish like this, like the vanity top, the slate finish. You can do like tile looking, where it's one big sheet but it's tile. And then of course you can do the subway tile as well. So anyway, that's what we got today for you. There's their hinges that are right on the door. Obviously you can see how that works. And that opens and closes. So there we go. If you got any questions, give us a call.